Feeling a sweet tooth craving? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, and this Springhill, Kansas sweet shop is sure to bring a smile. Pops Sweet Shop will satisfy your sweet tooth with 22 varieties of ice cream. So whether a shake, sundae, malt, float, cups, cone, even your choice of homemade toppings to add on. They're also known for their fresh homemade fudge, made in small batches right in their kitchen. Now, I don't know about you, but cotton candy brings me back to so many childhood memories, and theirs is a spin of sweetness like I've never had before. It comes in a dozen flavors, all clean, vegan, dye-free, and organic. We might even say it's healthy, or is that going too far? So enjoy a drive to Springhill to check out these savory treats at a local mom and pop business. And for more of our favorite Kansas City neighborhoods and businesses, sign up for our newsletter in the link below.